Damosel. I think I should do the optional thing first. Oh, I like the music here. You see these bolts? They're bolts. They're lots of bolts, and I love it. I love it. I like quite a lot of bolts. Right. So that's the main path. This path is an optional. Well, not optional. You have to go down there, I think, eventually. And then this path is truly optional. I believe. Do not remember what it gives you. That's why I plan on doing it. But I have to beat a mothership. No, really. I have to beat an alien. An alien mothership. I've been recording for 2 hours. Looked at my emails and I've got 16 new emails. Holy balls. That's how comments go nowadays. I keep getting about 1,000 comments a day. It's ridiculous. But life is good. Right, so this mothership, don't know if it works under the same premise as the last one. Don't think it will work the same. At least I'm not sure if it will. I can't remember how you kill this thing, truth be told. But I remember it being much harder, and as you can see my health is going down really quickly. Whereas the motherships, obviously, I think actually what you have to do is you have to kill all the enemies, then the mothership comes down, now that I think about it. Ow. I think that is what you have to do. Let's boom it. The mothership will come down eventually. Yep, the electric thing's gone. So that means the mothership's down, and then I can hit it. I like the planet in the background, that's nice. Ow, they do so much damage. I imagine I'll fail this once or twice. Because this is by no means easy. This is by no means an easy mission. Oh man, but when you stand on it, boy does it hurt them. But boy do they hurt me. Where'd the mothership go anyway? Right there. I think after time it runs out of shield. It loses its shield fully eventually, which is convenient, obviously. It's obviously helpful. Went to the mothership. Mothership, I'm coming after you. Yeah, could you come back? Are they actually hitting me? Yes, they are. Okay, you clearly don't understand how this game works. I need to kill you. There's the mothership, go! Ow! No! Why has it got so much health? How? What's the point? Come on, need to destroy you. This boss is actually really tough. The strategy works. If you can stand on it twice, then you're fine. It'll take out like half its health, but still. I think after a certain period of time, its shield does go down. Well, thank you for bringing me closer to your mother, I guess. I guess that's something. Hopefully you realise that some of your precious darlings are dead and you will bring some more back. I need as much help as possible. That went well. Ow! There is no way I'm going to survive this. At least I understand how to win this time. Well, next time. I think it's different the first time you do it because the first time you've got to kill the enemy straight away, so therefore you've got the advantage. You can catch up to her immediately. You'll be there, prepared to get her. You've already got that advantage. I didn't even see her there for a second, damn. Well, thank you for letting me destroy some of your children. Yes, go. If I could do it again, that would have been great, but oh well. Ah, finally some rockets, cool. Haven't taken out much of its health, but enough. A reasonable amount. Oh, of course you start making more as soon as I've destroyed loads. Come on down. Mothership, come on down! I may have got the mothership in a pattern now, which is good. If I get the mothership in a pattern, then I might beat it. Come on. Come on. Destroyed about 1,000 of your children. There we go. I'm going to destroy the ones you laid. That means you'll come on down. Good. More than half done. I'm in the lead for once. This is how you do it. Jumping on it is definitely the best tactic. Don't see why you wouldn't. I mean, I'd tap that any day. I mean, I'd definitely jump on it. I mean, yeah. No, but really though, why wouldn't you jump on it? Honestly. Where's the mothership? There it is. Yes, let me jump on it. Yes! That went very well. Come on down, mothership. Oh, I do have rockets again. Good. Didn't for a second. Where is it? No, really, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Oh, it doesn't have shields. Doesn't have any shielding whatsoever. Now it's just a jumping game. I thought it was. I thought there was a point where I could just jump on it. And here it is. I don't know if they knew about this. They must have. But this is how you do it. It's hurting me, but not as nearly as much as it's hurting her. Okay, that's no longer the case. It's actually destroying me slowly. So let me get out of here. Get some missiles, and then I can kill her. As long as I get missiles, I'm fine. Now I'm set. Boom. And I win. It was tough, but I won. Yeah! What is that? What was that? No, really though, that was tough, but what was that? Anyone will explain what I just got? The mapper. Oh!
Secret areas on your world map.
Ah! Alright, I see.
Secret areas are marked as green.
Cool, okay.